Nick.
Whoa.
Hey, what are you doing?
Get rid of skydive.
No way. Shut the front door.
I know, right?
Get out. Your first time?
It is my first time.
I'll bet you're excited.
I'm super excited.
Are you nervous?
No, not at all.
Are you scared?
No, not at all. Ready to go?
You know what? That's kind of odd. Usually people are a little bit nervous.
No, I'm good.
It's okay that we have lots of good instructors here. As long as you're not with Scotty, you'll be fine. So, what do you think it's going to be like?
You said as long as I'm with Scotty. I am with Scotty.
You should probably forget I said that then.
Don't worry about your balance because I'll be on your back. I'll get you, okay?
So what do you think it's going to be like?
I think it's going to be exhilarating.
You might be right.
Yeah, think so?
What do you say we go find out?
All right.
All right, man. Have a good skydive. We'll see you up there, okay?
Thanks.
Nick, we're almost there. How do you feel?
Feeling fucking great.
In a few minutes, we'll be in free fall. 2.5 miles up, 120 miles an hour straight down. Does that scare you at all?
Not at all.
I was talking to Scott. How fast? 120. That scares me a bit. Not gonna lie to you, it scares the crap out of me. Well, good luck. Have fun. I'll see you two guys outside.
Damn straight.
What would you think? Did you like it?
Oh, it's amazing.
Would you do it again?
Hell yeah.
Even with Scott?
Hell yeah.
All right, congratulations. Nice skydive.
Thanks, Billy.